Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview large swimming pool with stand and ladder. Make a splash this summer with the oval above-ground frame swimming pool. The pool design provides excellent durability, all while making setup quick and easy. The swimming pool sidewalls made 3-layer PVC sandwich design, 2 layers of PVC tape cloth on the outer layer. The sandwich is a mesh material with greater bearing capacity and stronger toughness. I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Swim your summer days away and have a blast in the water with this oval pool set. Product benefits. This swimming pool is easy to assemble and easy to store. The pool frame is made of corrosion-resistant electroplated metal brackets. The lightweight and durable PVC material can provide structural integrity for the pool. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.